Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. Check out this absolutely adorable fold flat if you want to box design. I gotta show you the little lid though and the way I decorated it. Look. There's some leaves and some acorns and a little snail on the wood. And these are flowers, so pretty. Oh my gosh, just little details like that make giving somebody just a few chocolates something extra special. I even wrapped it around with some ribbon, but you don't have to. And I'm going to share with you how to create this little box, including the decorations in this video. So stay tuned. All right, you're going to need two pieces of cardstock. I've chosen basic gray, and it is 6 inches by 7 inches. So I just wanted to make mention that you don't have to use this simply scored tool. You can use your trimmer if you wish. So on the short side, I'm going to score at 1/2 and 3 1/4. And then I'm going to turn it around to the long side. I'm going to score at 3/4 of an inch, 3 1/2, and 5 3/8. I'm going to do the same on the other page. So on the short side, we're going to score at 1/2, 3 1/4, 3 1/4. Turn it around, 3/4 of an inch, 3 1/2, and 5 3/8. All right, I'm going to fold and burnish all of my score lines. Basically, how this is going to work is this little piece of cardstock here in the middle row is going to attach to this piece, and this piece is going to attach over there. So the thing is that we have some stuff that we need to cut away. So we're going to start with this piece, and let's start with this skinny tab here. So we're going to remove all of this. Okay, so I've decided I'm going to make this my lid. It doesn't matter. You can make that your lid if you want to. So I'm going to angle the tab and I'm going to cut right down on that score line. All right, so I'm also going to cut this piece the same size about that. So here we go with that. And then I'm going to wedge these guys, or this tab out. Okay, so now we're going to go up through here, and if I put these two together, I need to cut this entire piece away because I just figured that out. So we're going to cut this one right off, and then angle and angle. Okay. So if I put this together, you're going to see 2 flaps on either side, and when this flips over, right, you're going to be able to put that in there. The lip and everything's going to fit in there. So with this one, I have to cut this one off. Hopefully that makes sense. You're picking up what I'm throwing down. I could have made the box smaller. I didn't want to. And I tried to use the least amount of paper as possible. Okay, so now we just need to finish this guy. So we're going to angle this and cut this down. We can cut this whole little bit here off. We'll angle here and here. And then I'm going to cut this to make the same size as that. So in the end, it's pretty much the same cut, right? But I'm flipping it so that this tab can adhere to the inside and this tab can adhere to that side. So let's do that right now. Line everything up, take that out of the way, line it all up, and then close. So now it's adhered to one piece. Then we'll take our adhesive, close and close. And now we have a little box. Ta-da! As you can see, I actually decorated the inside and of this lid. It was fun. I had fun with this one. So you are going to require 4 pieces of designer series paper that are 2.5 by 1 5/8. And you need 4 of them. This designer series paper is called Happy Forest Friends. So pretty. There's lots of little fussy cutting bits that you can cut out. All right, so here is the lid, 2.5 by 2.5. And then I'm going to start work on my little pre-cut pieces. All right, so I'm going to put a dimensional in the center of my little wood piece. I'm going to put the the glue dot on the top. And stuff that inside. And then same with, so I'm putting the glue dot and sticking it on the little wood piece here. Whoops. So, whoops, opposite side. I'm gonna put that leaf down. Sometimes I'll like my bone folder just to adhere it. I got a glue dot on my finger. That should be a song. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And then I'm going to put another glue dot. On these 3 little flowers. And use my bone folder underneath them. Perfect. And I even cut out a little extra flower, so let's see if I can't incorporate them. and maybe another glue dot for some foliage in the middle. Alrighty, enough with the glue dots. Let's trim some of these acorns. Oh, I think I might be able to add a mini dimensional to this snail as well. Oh, I might have to cut my mini dimensionals in half for the acorn. Cute. All right, so let's put our snail on the piece of wood. All right, and then I'm going to put 3 dimensionals right on the sides, on the top I should say. All right, you guys. Oh, that's so cute. Can you see how cute that is? Oh my gosh, because I love it just the way it is. So you could adhere the ribbon if you wanted. I'm not. So you can see all the supplies I listed today below in the video see more section or in the supplies section of my blog, and those fast links will take you to my Canadian online store where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. So thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.